Hello guys and welcome to unboxmuse. My name is Patrick Ago and this is my twin unboxmuse guy. Yeah, they know me. They love me, they hate you, they watch me, they skip you. Very funny. What about your ears? Giant?
Yeah. I don't see what you're talking about, but I can hear you.
Sure, little Dambo. What?
Since I was young,
You
want to soften me. You know what? You're unboxing. I'll cry. Cry like a baby.
Come on. Anyway, so today product is not a technology, but it's an add-on technology. As you can see on the table here, I have the AirPods, the iPhone headphones, lightning headphones, and I have the AKG and the Huawei. This is the main product now available that you can custom made an Earfits made by Generics, made personal. So before I unbox it, I want to thank the team behind Generics and especially Charles. Oh, Charles, merci beaucoup. Anyway, so he allowed me to go in the behind the scene to see how the small steps are made to custom the Earfits you see on the table. Now you see the box that you will receive when you order your own Earfits. So you have the logo up, Generics made personal, then the design of the Earfits right here, and this phrase, welcome to Generics, custom made ear tips for your ears every curve. Yes, because they custom the Earfits to the shape and size of individual ears. It's the same as your fingerprints because each one of us has its own fingerprints, the same for your ears. And in the back of the box, you have the small logo and your name with the color you have chosen, the product, the headphones you choose, and the Earfits. And then again the logo with some website, and the website you will see the link in the description. Now if you're exercising, if you're running, if you're doing biking in New York City, you know, in between the cars, I mean, like if you're running to catch your train, and if you have your bags and it fell down and you're trying to catch it and then the headphones slipped out, you can't control everything. So this product, why you should buy it? Because when you run, it doesn't slip out. Ça tombe pas. Translation, ça tombe pas. Anyway, so it's like me. For example, as you can see here, the AKG, this is evil for me, because when I put it on like this, and if I jump or if I run, it's so easily going out. All right, I just did like 2-3 movements. Now for this AKG, as you can see on the table right here, this yellow, it uses the medical grade silicone repurposed from the hearing aid industry. It's flexible. Here inside you have the L for left, and this one you have the R for right. I think these 2 letters inside of it, it's quite a nice small touch. All right, and you can see this big hole here is to fit the headphones inside of it, and this one with the shape of the AKG here, this hole is to allow the sound quality of the AKG, so it doesn't modify or anything else the quality sound of any headphones you like. All right, and this small hole here is for the sensor, as you can see, for the headphones here. To install it, it's simple. You slide it like a socket.
Oh, wait, you mean like a socket?
No.
I do have a socket. Wait.
What? Oh my god. Come on.
Like a socket. This is a socket? Like you mean like I can put it on my ear?
This is a socket. This is no.
This is not what you mean.
I mean like this socket.
Oh, you mean
this
okay.
Here.
Okay. My bad. Yeah.
Take 5-minute break. I think it's time. Oh.
Take a 5-minute break?
Yeah.
Come back. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Come.
All right. Okay. This is nice, completely dry. Do not use alcohol to clean. This is very nice. It says in the box that you can wash them. It's because this silicone material, you can put them in like a small compartment that you can put water and soap, and you can wash them, and you can have some wearing your Earfits, some instruction of how you put them. And then you have this quite nice texture black box where I think you can find, oh, you remove the box. This is the carry-on box, quite nice, with the generics logo right here. And then this is your product. This is the white AirPods Earfit, custom for my own ears. Yes, perfect. So you have the left one here and the right one here, and then remove them. Okay, very simple, very easy to remove. All right, so we have the box, we have the Earfits, and we have the AirPods. I don't know if you can see this small cut here for this sensor right here. Right, so you have the right, you put it on the right. Okay, this is perfect. Then you align it, the sound, perfect. The second one, once assembled into your preferred earphone, they slip into your ear cavity and latch into your ear fold for a secure, snug fit. Right, this one is on, the left one, and it takes few hours to be adapted to having Earfits. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. The silicone is very comfy on your ears. I can move, I can run, it's crazy. Now the box, you have it here, it's so great. You can put the AirPods box in it, the actual AirPods with the Earfits in it, and then you have it all in one box. Alright, so after installing the generics application, and I will put the link down in the description, you launch the application. So you choose Earfits. The price is $35 without the shipping. So we custom it. You choose the Apple, Samsung, or Apple Lightning or Huawei Lightning product. Let's choose the Apple. The next step is to select the color. You have the black, white, red, green, let's say orange, and yellow. After confirming the payment, all you have to do is to watch a small tutorial that teach you how to film the ears, but you need someone to help you. So
Ho ho! Looks like someone needs unboxmuse, guys.
yes, I do. So please, come on, help me. All right.
Okay, tell me what I have to do.
All you have to do is to first remove the ear, then the sunglasses.
Those?
Yeah.
Just for you. Okay.
Thank you. Then do you have a credit card?
Next. I do.
Oh, surprise.
Right here.
Okay. Perfect. Now sit straight. Perfect. Then give me the left ear and put it on the side. Oh. Easy. Then you follow the steps with the voice up and down. Then you turn the other side. Perfect. And again you follow the steps in the video.
Move the phone slowly upwards. Keep the ear inside the silhouette. Now move the phone slowly back down. Almost done. Slowly upwards. Done. Thank you.
That's all. So in 3 minutes you have a custom Earfits, and in 7 days you receive it. Again, thank you for Generics team, and if you like this product, like this video. All the links will be in the description. If you have any comment down below. Don't forget to follow unboxmuse on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you for watching. I will see you. We will see you next week. Peace.